Here we come to the second elevator at Rice University Student Center in Houston, Texas. I wonder what brand this is. Looks like either Dover or Westinghouse, I don't know. Or maybe an Otis, I think. There's like literally office right here, so we're gonna go back down and get off. This elevator was installed in 1987, and it definitely got a mod at one point. This is almost exactly like the one at the Shepherd School of Music, which I plan to film next. I'm gonna ring the bell. Obviously modernized. Right, there it goes. And that's it.